Want to get rid of my husband. Tired of him.
I think this whole promotion thing is getting a little bit, to your head.
I don't know if you notice how he's been behaving. I think he's a little bit unstable. So I think you should even, if you're not going to give him some time off, if I even for fire him then, because
Do what?
I'm going to behave. Listen to me and listen to me carefully. Whether my husband know or don't know, I feel my husband. That's not your business. I came to buy insurance.
Boss, this sound like a fire. Fire.
No. It's not fire.
What? Why are you not at work?
No, but the boss tell me one bag of thing about him notice I'm unstable and it seemed like me need little time off, so boy, I have to take some time.
And me tell you for a long time, so my mind tell me say you're jealous over your husband.
Yo, Trish.
Y'all go now.
You know what I say since me get the little promotion at work, me just feel like I be a bad face when they start show me.
Every time Michael just always come a project him success. It's like, I'll go first.
Okay.
Well, that's the problem that I have with my husband.
Mm-hmm.
I feel like he's always just posting about stuff. To me, he just have made a house for wash, cook, and clean.
Let me be honest. You know, recently, you have been feeling like me I neglect you, and you feel like me I act like me better than you, and that is further from the truth. Hey, babes. Sophia.
What's this for? No, I'm not getting myself cheap clothes and it's a cheap chocolate. Him here same sorry for me.
Yo, me just feel like one got doctor, man.
Drink the juice. That will make you feel better, trust me.
You know what I'm saying? Me get one little promotion.
Remember say you can't live with a woman and your woman bad mind, you know.